Today, I'm going to show you how to change the oil in a Scag Freedom Z. Only thing you'll need is 5W30 oil or 10W30, a new oil filter, and a 10mm socket or wrench. Let's do it. My Scag has the Kohler 26 on it. Here's the where you fill it up with oil. And down here, that piece is where you put your ratchet on to drain the oil. And that's your oil filter right down there. Alright, so I'm going to show you how we do it. Okay, now you should see what's going on. I'm going to put my 10mm on the drain plug. I'm going to pop it loose. Oh, I was tightening it. I'm going to pop it loose, and you should be able to see oil start coming out. There you can see the oil starting to come out. And just loosen this drain plug up all the way. There, you're just going to want to let this all drain out. Now that almost all of that's drained out, I'm going to take off the oil filter and I'll show you that. You're just going to want to get a good grip on this oil filter. See if you can twist it. If you can't twist it by hand, you're going to have to use the oil filter wrench. Now with the oil filter wrench, you should be able to get on here and loosen it. And once it's started, and oil's going to come out, it's going to make a mess. You always going to make a mess when you're doing this. Try to make it as small of a mess as possible. Yeah, we're just gonna let that drain out. Once you've drained all the oil out, now you're just gonna basically do the opposite. You're gonna put your oil filter back on. You're gonna tighten up the drain plug, and then you're gonna fill it up with new oil. Then you're gonna be done. Let's do it. Take your new oil filter, and you could take some of the new oil, the old oil. It don't really matter. Just grease that baby up. Pro tip: I always have paper towels with you because you're gonna make a mess. Then we're just gonna take our new oil filter. Shit. I almost dropped it. Alright, we're good. Take your new oil filter. Screw that baby back on. Now, never use an oil filter wrench to tighten the damn the oil filter. Always tighten it by hand. As tight as you can get it by hand. That should be good right there. Then what you're gonna want to do, tighten up that drain plug again. Get as tight as you can by hand. And then you're going to snug it up with the wrench. You don't want this. You don't want to get this too tight either. Just when it's tight, just a little bit more turn, and it's good. Now what you're going to do is fill it up with oil. Let me show you. Right here, pop your dipstick off. Punch you a funnel in for convenience. Now this thing takes 1.9 quarts of oil. I have, let me see that. It's just below the 1.9 quarts of oil in this. This is 5W30. You can use 10W30, whatever you want to do. All right, then you just want to fill it up with oil. Just pour all your oil in there. Get it filled up. Pause. Oh, good thing that didn't go in there. Good thing that didn't go in there. That is the aluminum foil that seals the oil bottle. That almost went in the engine. That would have been great. Next thing you're going to want to do, start up your lawnmower and let the oil run through, and then we're going to check it again. Battery's dead. While your lawnmower's running, just look and make sure it's not leaking any oil from the filter or the drain. Okay, now once you've ran your lawnmower, take your dipstick out, clean it off, put it back in. And take it out again. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it that good, but it's completely full. It's full of oil, so we are done. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, and I'll show you some more. Appreciate it. Thank you.